Hello friends, today is a pretty busy day. I have a meeting in Southampton around 11:30 a.m. this morning. After that I'm gonna grab a quick lunch and then back to the office. I'm gonna spend pretty much all day at the office. I have to work on two large projects, one commercial in Connecticut and one full house rehab in Connecticut as well. So I gotta do floor plans and estimates on those two, so I have to start on that today. Also, I have to set up a final walkthrough meeting with a homeowner whose basement we've finished already. We have inspection passed, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, final safety inspection is already passed. I just gotta do the final walkthrough with them, and it's most likely gonna happen on Friday sometime 5 p.m. or so. Yeah, pretty much full day, one meeting, and rest of the day is gonna be spent at the office doing paperwork and estimates and things like that. So if you're wondering how I make my way through the day, is basically with this thing. It's called the Nectar of Gods, also named as coffee. So a lot of coffee helps. All right, let's get to it. Alright, so I just got out of the basement. It's a nice small project. The meeting dragged a little longer than usual, so everything went well. The ladies are nice, they know what they want. This could be a nice small project. The ceilings are a little low though, but again, it's New England, so the ceilings are about 7 foot, though the building code calls for 6.9 at finish, so we're gonna be right there. They want LVT flooring. This is going to be a more of a open concept basement, open loft basement. It's going to have a 3/4 bathroom, toilet, sink and shower, and a wet bar. And we have to do a bulkhead conversion. Nice little project. Alright, back to the office. It is 6:45. I'm about done for today. I did most of the stuff I wanted. I'm gonna be at the office most of the day tomorrow, so that will give me plenty of time to catch up on stuff that I didn't do today. Good night, everybody.